What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color, and on today's episode we are taking a deep dive into SUNLU PLA in white. So we're going to go ahead and get this open. One of the things I do like about SUNLU, they have the nice easy to open tabs. This one came in a 4-pack of CMYK, which I'll probably have a video on soonish. But this one is just the white review here. As you can see, nice bright white color, but we're going to go ahead and get that dried in the filament dryer. Alright, so if you're new here, we always start out by printing a benchy in generic filament settings in the slicer that we choose. This one is Bamboo Studio, and it's generic PLA. So we're going to go ahead and get that sliced up. It should take just shy of an hour, or right at an hour, to get this printed. And so we're going to go ahead and do that, get all the other test prints printed, and yeah, we'll see how the results go. You know, one of the things I do like about SUNLU is the fact that they are relatively consistent, as far as I can tell. But yeah, so here are the test prints. So as you know, this is the first one with the generic benchy. As you can see, pretty standard. Maybe a little bit of stringing there, but nothing super major that I can tell. And yeah, so next up we have the dimensional cube. This is printed 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed in spiral Voss mode. There was some artifacting, as you can tell there, but overall I'd say pretty good, and a little bit of lifting from the corners. So next up we have the temperature tower, and the temp tower for this one, the best temperature seems to be right at about 210. That way, very little stringing, no real globbing or anything to that nature. Next up, we had the retraction test. Retraction test performed well, no real stringing or anything like that. So, next up, we had the max volumetric speed test. This one printed absolutely wonderfully at 20 millimeters per second cubed. No real any sort of issues as far as I can tell with any of that. So, the overhang test. So, the overhang test did have some complications, as you can see. It failed right at about 40 degrees. That's just something sometimes happens. Just something to keep in mind if you're looking at working with this filament. Maybe enable sports a little bit earlier and use some glue. Next up, we got those things dialed in and reprinted that benchy. As you can see, we were able to take care of some of those minor issues. And anyway, so over at Amazon Time of Filming, you can pick up a 4-pack for less than $50, and you'll get the CMYK, CMYK, or you can pick it up for, just a regular spool for less than 20. So it's just up to you as to, or less than 17. It's up to you as to what you want to see. Anyway, my overall thoughts are, this white's a nice, brilliant white color. I do like the fact that it's, refillable spools and all that kind of stuff. So, overall thoughts are pretty good. Anyway, that's been SUNLU PLA in white. If you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all the nice YouTube things. I'm a relatively new channel, and it does help out. Anyway, this has been Higgins with Legal Automations. Be kind to each other, print all the stuff, and I hope to see you back here next time.